Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy A27 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. And before we will start actually, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You really need it to connect with the server. So internet connection, preferably Wi-Fi. I would avoid mobile data because it is a backup, so you will transfer files and some charges may apply, so it's not the best idea. All right, so we've got the internet connection. In my case, as I said, Wi-Fi. So now we can scroll down and go to this option, Accounts and Backup. Here, as you can see, we've got this Google Drive section, and all you need to do is to tap on Backup Data. And if you're not signed in, you will need to simply add your Google account, and I will do it. If you're signed in, you will see a completely different page, which I will tell you about later on. So let's simply tap on Next and tap on Add Account. Let me quickly do it. Again, the internet connection. Here you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on Next. It might take a while, so just be patient. Right here we need to enter the password. So simply do it and tap on Next. Here you need to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. And here finally we've got we can make a decision what we want to backup. So we can backup photos and videos or other device data. It's up to you. You can use both. I will pick only this one and tap on Confirm. And as you can see, this is the screen that you will see if you've got your Google account already added to the device. So it will be kind of like that. Here you can tap on other device data. Right here, and you can check how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage. Here you've got the app data that you can also back up, and here this option, which is advanced, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off so you can avoid some additional charges. So to finish everything, simply tap on Backup Now, and your device is now backing up your data. If you've used mobile data for adding the account, I highly recommend switching to the Wi-Fi before you will tap on Backup Now. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.